Guys, my name is Juliana LENYA. So today I'm filming for makeup and hair tutorial for Waitress. Enjoy! Step 1. Moisturizer. Pour a small amount onto your finger and start spreading the moisturizer across your face to avoid clogging your pores. Step 2. Foundation. Start from the center of your face and blend the liquid foundation. Step 3. Concealer. Place small dot your concealer over the center of your forehead, down the center of your nose, under your eyes, in a curving edge at the top of your chin, just under your bottom lips to reduce the appearance of dark circle eyes and create a glowing, bright look, and apply light concealer beneath the eyes with a damp sponge or makeup brush. Step 4. Eyebrow. Draw a line across the bottom of your eyebrow with an angle brush. Then add a softer line on the top. Then use light stroke to fill the middle and any hole. And the last one, tips the outer edge of your eyebrow up for an upbeat look. Step 5. Concealer. Applying a light layer of concealer under the brow with brush, then blend the concealer out. Step 6. Eyeshadow. Dip your eyeshadow brush into the light shade, then tap the brush across the entire lid, starting at the lash line and ending just above the crease of your eyelid. Now, dip your brush into the darkest color, tapping off the excess once again. Apply the color at the outer corner of your eyes just above your lash line. Brush and blend the two shades together. Step 7. Mascara. Apply your mascara on your eyes ledge. Step 8. Apply your foundation powder under your eyes and blend it with your brush. Step 9. Blusher. Apply your pink blusher on your cheek and blend it with a brush. Step 10. Lipstick. Apply your lipstick on your lips and choose the light color. And the last step is setting spray. Apply your setting spray all over your face. Next is hair tutorial for Waitress. First, comb your hair into ponytail. Then, secure ponytail with an elastic. Then, loosen ponytail from base. After that, create a nook in the center. Then, wrap hair tightly into a bun. After that, tuck bun into the nook. Make sure you tuck until elastic is hidden. Then you can secure it with bobby pin. Lastly, you can use your hairspray to make it better.